Comrade suicide naze ngena njengamanje ngilungiselela ama exam la ngisesikoleni. Hayi bo mali engathenga umncwango. Dr. Bongani Mncwango usejoin inkatha. Kodwa ke Mncwango usebenzile khehla ngoba bungeke usaba yilutho usuyoba iground force usuyoba inhlabathi bese kuphelile ngawe khehla. But at least you trying for this, you try to be a survivor from SG weqembu elikhulu kangaka. Lana mwathi uSG volulahlwe nje. Kuphele kanjalo ngawe. Kodwa ke Mncwango uzamile khehla ukuthi naku icoshe ngesigxeke emkhulu. Njengobaba ke ohlele khona eSouth Africa wonke amaqembu ezepolitiki imovie yakhe asigxeke sikhona ukugxeka thina khehla usebenzile nathi bese singazi wenzani kupolitiki ubhizi nama co-op nemidlalo ongazi wenzani wamosha kwakuthanga ngisho ibhlukwe kusela kuthina kodwa sikubonga ukuthi uqhutshwe ne-IFP mfowethu vele IFP baningi abantu abangazilutho lapha njengawe ngeke kufana lana bengimuntu owazi ukuthi wenzani khehla hamba lapha uzongeke kungahluma ulutho khehla une-experience ka-SG weqembu elikhulu eli-leading party KwaZulu-Natal no sikubonga le Mncwango khehla elikhulu wenze kahle ngoba vele usuyoba i-security kufanele uthathe i-CV yawu-5 manje ifamily eyikhipha idayisa ikhipha ze-MK uzodayisa ikhipha zenkatsha noma kuqhubeka sizothenga ikhipha
amanye ama-members e-MK Party a-reactile mayelana nesimemezelo esenziwe i-IFP namuhla sokuthi lo obengu-secretary general wabo uDr Bongani Mncwango useshile ku-MK Party wajoyina i-IFP. Abezindaba bembuza ukuthi yini le emenze washiya ku-MK Party wazojoyina i-IFP. Uthe akafuni ukuchaza kakhulu futhi akafuni ukukhuluma ngelinye iqembu ngoba i-conference elinye iqembu kodwa uma ama-leaders ekudayisela enye into kodwa uma usufika khona uthola ukuthi ubudayiselwa into engekho hayi le okuyiyona yona obuyitshela ukuthi wena uze kuyo isimo esinjalo kodwa wangabe safuna ukuchaza angicaphune yena uzoyizwela ukuthi utheni.
Other political parties is better ngoba kuba unfair ukukhuluma engekho uzophendula kodwa ngingakunikeza nje ngitshontshe ukuthi igaba ntshintshi la khona kume kanjani-ke I think ubuzwe ngisazokujeka ngisafunda ukuthi kume kanjani uma ungena emotweni noma kwi-organization nge-vision oyithengiselwe wakholelwa kuyona uyayo-expect ukuthi-ke ubuholi bungaphakathi uzohamba nalo vision uma kodwa kukhona-ke ukungaboni ngasolinye le vision idlwenguleka uzobeka nje kanjani kuyakufuneka ukuthi nawe uzanelise ukuthi cha uyaqhubeka nokuyidlwengula i-vision ye-founder noma uyajabula ukuthi uvalelise uye la ozoba khona ukuthokomala ileso sizathu-ke ngingazange nje ngiqeqa amagula lana-ke la ngangithuma khona kwakuthiwa kagogo lapha-ke umongameli ngibuyele kwamkhulu.
Inkulumo kaMncwango idinga abantu abazincitha buchopho, abantu abakwazi ukujula, bakwazi ukuthatha imiqondo ocashile, bawubeka obala, benzele nathi nje ukuze sigcine sisi-understand. Ngoba uthi uma udayiselwa i-vision, uyawuthi uma ufika bese uyitshela ubuholi obungaphakathi phamba nale vision kodwa bese uthola ukuthi cha bayayidlwengula le vision. Angikwazi kusho ukuthini lokho, bayayidlwengula le vision. Sekukuwe ukuthi uyabajoyina nidlwengule nonke i-vision leyo obuthengiselwe yona engenzeki edlwengulwayo okanye ukhetha ukushiya. Angiyazi le nkulumo isho ukuthini, ingakho ngithi idinga abantu abazincitha buchopho abazokwazi ukuthi basicathulise thina kakhulukazi thina imiqondo yethu engasheshi ukubamba ngokushesha kodwa nje ubezama ukuveza ukuthi yezinye zezizathu lezi ezimholele ekuthenini agcine seshile lapha kumkhonto wesizwe phansi. Nobaba uKhomo naye uphawulile mayelana nokuhamba kukababa uMncwango. Ngifisa ukumcaphuna bese ngiyocaphuna-ke ukuthi uNomvalo utheni. Kodwa ngaphambi ngifike kubaba uKhomo ngifuna ukukukhumbuza ukuthi wathini uNomvalo ngesikhathi kune-media briefing yomkhonto wesizwe phansi. Ngicela uzwe la.
I also don't understand people who would want to characterize the state of the MK Party as being unstable because we are making rapid changes of leadership. This is a new formation which has a political fragility which is inevitable because of its age. We're a young organization. We are less than 3 years. So constant changes are inevitable because from time to time, we test characters to different responsibilities. And we say maybe this character can help us to achieve this objective. And if we realize that the character, because we're still trying to study different modalities towards achieving a united and disciplined force of the left. And if we realize that this character at this stage does not take us to where we want to be, we make changes. And there's nothing wrong with that. So where do you take this instability? Where do you draw it from? Because our caucuses in parliament, for instance, are running properly. If you go to Cape Town, you will never find a day where our caucus isn't there because of instability. If you go to KZN, you will never find an instance where our caucus members are not there because there's instability. We are developing systems from time to time through applying different methods and modalities. So that is not instability. A party that suffers from instability is a party that cannot even conduct its business, its core business. You see, we're having a media briefing here, comrades are full here, wearing a regalia. They are charismatic, they are energetic, and they've been energetic since the inception of this party. So you are very narrow when you want to characterize the party as being unstable if you are using this thing of changing leadership as a yardstick. You must go further, go beyond. Go to committees in parliament and see the participation of our comrades there.
Ngibambe le video kaNomvalo la kodwa into ebengifisa ukuyiveza kakhulu ile ayishilo ukuthi njenge political party eseyintsha they are still putting processes in place. They are still building the culture kuyi MK. So kuyenzeka bathathe i-character ethize ngoba befuna ukuzuza certain things ngayo kutholakala mhlawumbe ukuthi this character ayikulungela ukuba la ibekwe khona mhlawumbe idingeka kwenye indawo, then that is the reason why they redeploy. Wachaza kahle omunye wathi ku-MK party bonke abantu abanika ama-position bayazi ukuthi they are interim positions, there is no permanent position ngoba ikusese i-party entsha ena less than 3 years. Ngokusho kwabo bathi njengoba besayibuilda ziningi inguquko efuneka zibe khona kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi ba unstable. Inguquko zenziwa ukuthi they are still building and basadinga ukutesta ama characters ahlukene. Ulibekile leli gama ukuthi they are still testing. Funeka legama sil underline. Ngeke ngezomunye la ngenze video wathi into ezolamula ukuthi MK party ibe ne-elective conference. Na ngabona ukuthi no abantu aba understand ukuthi elective conference i-right ukuthi fana babe nayo kodwa amalungu e-MK party awaka understand even ama policies we-MK. Kungcono mangathiwa i-MK party fanele bene policy conference lapho bezofundiswa khona abantu ukuthi i-MK party imapha ama plans enawo for youth unemployment, imapha ama plans enawo for indaba kagesi, indaba yamanzi, what is their stance or what is their stand bathini bona on foreigners, yonke on illegal immigrants, yonke lonto le nansi into edingwa i-MK party kwamanje. Then uma iparty seyinama systems seyi-organization oba okwamanje ayikakabi i-organization ngokuphelele, funa ibe yi-organization nokuthi ibe ngama-system ikwazi uku-operator yona ngokwayo. Uma kune-complain ikwazi ukusuka la ifike lapha resolveke ihambe kahle. Kunje lento le ma uyichaza kwesinye isikhathi uyichazela umuntu ongakaze ayibone formal business kuya kube nzima ngoba lento ifuna u-understand njengomuntu one-formal business ukuthi once yaba nama structures in place noma waba ne-formal business yaba nama structures in place iyakwazi uku-operator noma ungekho wena cause inendlela estokha ngayo nendlela okubalwa ngayo inventory yonke into yakhona bengizama nje ukwenza izinto zibe lula for umuntu oseceleni kodwa into edingwa iMK Party manje ipolicy conference akuyona ilo elective conference leyo bangaba nayo later on akake kufundisa abantu abangamalunga wayo ukuthi iMK Party lena iza naziphi inguquko ifuna ukuzenza kanjani inguquko ezithembisayo uma manje kungathiwa MK Party iphethe portfolio ka education yiziphi izinto abathi bona bangazenza in terms of education babelievela ukuthi yini into engafuneka ilungiseke kanjani izinto lezi efuna bakwazi ukuzichaza thoroughly bachazela abantu abangamalungu omkhonto but ukuze noma beya ku door to door betshela abantu ukuthi sivoteleni siza uma ningasivotela sithola amandla nazi inguquko nakho ukuthi nakuthi esingakwenza ukuze abantu babone le vision abanayo. Kodwa ke ngifisa ukudlula kuKhomo ngaphambi kokuba ngikucaphunele inkulumo kaNomvalo lapha reacte khona ngokuhamba kaBaba uMncwango. Ngicela uzwe la.
Yabona nje bafowethu mina ikhona into engangihlula engeke ngikwazi ukuyenza nokuyibekezelela. Yabo lento yenu ukuthula. Amember omkhonto wesizwe hayi mina ngeke ngikwazi ukuyenza lonto leyo mina. Lokuthula ngeke mina ngingeke ngikwazi ukuyenza. Ungathi into ifa phambi kwakho uyibona into leyo iyafa phambi kwakho mase uyathula ngeke mina banza kwethu. Bafisa ngihlale ukukhuluma nje ukuthi kahle ubuholi benu abenzi kahle niyabuthemba bokuthi ubuholi benu benza kahle waphela kukhombisa khona ubuholi benu ukuthi hayi abunayo inhloso bokukhulisa umkhonto wesizwe. Sengaba no esiyaba u9 uba lo letha abantu mina ngiblame uMncwango la mina ngiblame lo wamletha mina uba lo approve abantu ngoba usho lo approve abantu khona something ngaye off ngaye lo muntu loyo khona something ngaye bangakomncanga bangaphakathi nizawuthula futhi nani blame uMncwango hambele uMncwango njani anisuse ngani leso wakho waletho ubani uba lo approve uMncwango ngoba lento iyasho ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe baningi abantu abangaphakathi for ukudestroy umkhonto wesizwe kungabe ubuholi benu niyabuthemba yini kumkhonto wesizwe noma nizothula nifele ngaphakathi into yeni enhlaka ngakife ibulala abantu ngamabomu nithule nina hayi mfundo njalo hayi noxolele ngenza ukuthi ningakho nje sithulele nje sithule ngoba nje siyabona ukuthi hayi lento esikuyo le hayi engathi impela hayi akekho futhi unamaqhinga ukuthi ayilungise lento lesikuyo akekho namaqhinga ayilungise kuningi kakhulu kunte umohlalo phezulu lapha niyabathemba yini
Kodwa into engingayisho ngobaba uSithembiso Khomo la uyawuthanda umkhonto wesizwe party yona nje into engingayisho ngaye uyawuthanda umkhonto wesizwe party futhi kube kuyangaye ngabe zonke lenkinga ezikhona nalento eyivelayo abaziveli ngabe lezi inkinga ziyaxazululeka yingakho njengoba kwenzeka lesimo eyibuka yena ngokuthi bangaka abantu abanjengobaba uMncwango abangezile mhlawumbe ngenhloso le yena nayo ngeMK Party kodwa beze ngezinye inhloso ngoba angizazi phela mina inhloso zabo yingakho esense igama lithi bangaka abanye uMncwango so ngizama ukuthi ke momlalelisisa kahle uyamuzwa ukuthi ugxeka from umuntu oyithandayo ngoba ukaza ukayizibi iMK Party kwale ngoba uyayithanda angicaphunela amazwi kaNomvalo uze ukuthi utheni yena my reactor mayelana nokuhamba kukaBaba uMncwango.
Well, I can't remember.
Yes, you are the 9th one, and your predecessor Ubongani Mncwango was welcomed by IFP today. And what is your reaction as the party?
No, joining and leaving a political party is a personal choice. It's an individual choice. As the organization, we feature nowhere. So he has left out of his personal and I guess political convictions. So I think we must respect that and wish him all the best. The same way he came in, he has left to join another party. And I don't think that imposes any threat to the organization because he is living alone. So he will arrive there empty-handed. He will come there as an individual. So the focus here must not be on who lives and so on, but let's focus at the task at hand. And the task at hand is to engage in a revolution for total liberation of black people. So that is what we must be obsessed about.
Sure.
The MK members must continue to commit themselves into the values and systems of the organization.
Na reaction ke le ga Sibonelo Nomvalo oyi Secretary General umkhonto wesizwe party. Uthi umfisela inhlanhla la yakhona. Ngoba isinqumo sakhe wafika yedwa ku MK uhambe yedwa namanje. Ilokho nje okushiwo unobhala wayiseluleka amalungu omkhonto wesizwe party. Ngiyaye ngiphatheke kabike ngoba akukho la ngeke ngathi mina kuvotela umkhonto wesizwe party. Abantu abalandela le channel bayazi ukuthi mina ngithanda liphi iqembu. Iliphi iqembu futhi engifisa sengathi lingaba namavote amaningi. Abantu abalandela le channel bayazi. Kodwa uthi ukhuluma njengoba ucaphuna inkulumo njengoba injalo bese kuthiwa vele wena uyayifavor MK party. Hayi bafethu ngiyanicela. Uma nizondi MK ningafuni phela sizonde sonke. Sipheni izathu zokuyizonda sizokwazi ukuyizondela into ekhona singayizondi ngoba nani ngoba izondwa yini. Mina nawasidibane kwivideo landelayo ngiyabonga.